Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you will create a professional design and colorful resume for your job. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open the browser and then search Canva. And then click on canva.com. Next, click in Get and Canva Free. After you will see the interface like this. Just click on Templates. Then next, click on Resume templates. Down you will see the categories like professional, modern, simple, corporate, creative, photo, colorful, academic, graphic design, college, high school, scholarship. So I will select college resume templates. 87 templates are available. Select anyone and click on that. Down you will see design details, color, font and size. Then click on customize this template. Let's zoom it a little bit. Okay, first of all you need to change your profile photo. Just click here and then click on upload. Then you need to sign up. Just enter your email, create password. You will receive a OTP on your mail. Just verify your account from there and then click on upload media and select the image from your PC. After you will see your image here and then delete the old one. Just select and delete. Okay, and then select the picture from here and place it. If you want to edit your picture, just edit from here, edit image, crop, flip. Like you can change the brightness, saturation. Okay, next you need to change the name. Just click here and enter your name here. Okay, next if you want to change your profession, you can change from here college student, about me, education, and then edit your contact details. If you don't have a website, you can delete this one. Just select and delete the icon also. Languages, skills, achievements. If you want to delete this section, you can delete, select, delete, select and delete. And if you want to write something else in this empty space, just click on text, select subheading, for example work experience. Next, select and place it here. Zoom it. If you want to change the font, just go to the font and select the font from here. Next, select body text, add your experience here. Okay, and then select again and place it here like this. If you feel that one page is not enough, then you can also add another page. Just click on add page and then enter your detail here. Okay, if you want, you can change the color of the page also. Just select, go to color and then select the color. Okay, if you want to make it plain, just go to color again, select white. Okay, if you want to delete something, you can delete also. Select, then delete. You can change the color of the whole page also. Just select the page like this, go to the color and then select your color. Okay, I will select this one like this. You can change the color. If you want to change this one, go to color, select. Okay, and you can adjust your text also. Just select the text, for example about me, and then adjust this one like this. Okay, in this you can edit many things, like you can add the elements, you can add the templates, you can animate your resume, but I will not show you all this because the video will be too long. Anyway, there is nothing worth saying about it. It's too simple, you can make it easily. As you complete editing in it and you feel that your resume is ready, you need to go to the download button on the top. Just click and then select file type, PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print. So I will select PDF standard. Just click on PDF standard and then click on download. And here you will see your resume is downloaded in the PDF format. If you are sending it to the recruiting agency and HR, then you can send it in the mail. If you are applying from the company website, so in the next video, I will show you how you have to create ATS friendly resume. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.